Manufacturability errors are not acceptable. With the proper set of constraints, you can catch design issues before you manufacture and avoid costly setbacks. The DFM Wizard in OrCAD helps create and assign constraints for manufacturing based on IPC standards and common PCB rules. Easily verify your stack-up information and select your stack-up type, whether rigid or flex. This way, the rules generate based on a properly defined stack-up. As you step through rule development, you can utilize default templates provided for DFF, DFA, and DFT constraints, or modify them to align better with your fabrication vendor. Now with the initial rule set, you can easily complete your designs. Real-time visual feedback flags any DFM errors while you design to help eliminate rework. And you can run all your IPC standard-based checks again at sign-off, giving you the confidence that your designs meet all the right constraints.